Welcome. In this class, we will talk about a very unique concept. This is known as Freedom School and Green Gurus. So far, we have heard about B.Ed being a qualification to teach for the schools. But there has been a huge shortage of teachers in the rural areas in Telangana and across India. So this is a kind of experimental model that has been released by Telangana government, and this has been called as Freedom Schools. Under this, you would have students from grade 6 to 9th who would be going and teaching. As a result, they would be given an incentive of rupees 3,500. The teacher student ratio would be 20 is to 1 as compared to 40 is to 1, so as they have ease in teaching. The paper formulation and all the rest of the job that teacher does would be done by the students from grade 6 to 9th. The 10th class has been left forward, considering the fact that for 10th you would have the board examination, so the students would need to prepare for the board examinations. Now this model would be a unique model because these students would be known as Green Gurus, and this initiative has been taken by the Telangana Social Welfare Residential Educational Institutional Society, and this has been a really commendable effort to check out the level of literacy in the rural areas. As per the survey for education, the results have revealed that class 8 students cannot even read a textbook of class 2 in the rural areas. To check this, we have this initiative that has come up. So we are really waiting forward for the results from this initiative. A very important question for your upcoming examination: what is the concept of freedom schools and what are green gurus? So students who would be teaching from students of the grade 6 to 9th who would be teaching would be called as green gurus. So this is a very important and a unique concept that you must be aware about. Very important for your upcoming NTA examination. Have a wonderful day ahead. We'll be bringing many more sessions. Stay tuned.